So I'm in Heathland at the moment, which is an incredible habitat really. We've got quite a specific range of plants that like this free draining acidic soil. And this plant I'm sitting amongst is one of them, and this one is called Bilberry, or Whortleberry, or Windberry, or Blaeberry. I think if we're in Scotland, there's quite a few old English names for this plant, but Bilberry's the most common one I've heard, or Vaccinium myrtillus is the scientific name for it. So it's called Bilberry, and it's because of the little berries on it that look a lot like blueberries, and they're actually really nice at the moment. They're looking extra big. It's the we're in the middle of July right now, which seems to be a really good time to come and get these ones. You'll see them from about June through to August, maybe, temperature dependent, and it's a deciduous plant, so it loses its leaves late in the autumn, sprouts new ones in the spring, and they grow on this staggered formation that goes up the stem, and there's a berry on there for added effect. It's a really nice one actually. As I say, they seem to be quite huge at the moment. I don't usually see them this big up here. Usually they're a bit smaller than a shop bought blueberry, but yeah, I think we've just got lucky really. And the flesh inside these are reddy purple as opposed to the blueberry from the shops, which I think is more of a greeny white. But yeah, the flesh inside these berries, it's more of a darker colour, and it does stain a lot as well. If you're going to come out picking for a few hours, then be prepared to go home with purple hands. There's no getting around that, and maybe a purple mouth as well. I struggle to take home everything that I've picked in a day. They're so tasty, fresh as they are, that yeah, you'll struggle not to eat handfuls and handfuls as you're going, but do try and take some back to the kitchen, because once you get to that point, then they're a great candidate for jams and jellies and anything that requires setting, because they've got a high pectin content like a lot of our summer fruits, and they're also packed with antioxidants as well. Historically, they used to be used to treat eye conditions such as glaucoma, so yeah, they're quite useful and very nutritious. I think got a whole range of vitamins as well, like vitamin K especially. So yeah, this is the time to be going out to get them. Prepare to spend a few hours picking them. Yeah, it takes a little while to fill a box if you're going berry by berry. Finland actually have such an abundance of this plant that they go out and harvest them commercially, and they do that on a much bigger scale, but today we're just going one by one. So yeah, we'll see how long it takes us to get a box.